Good morning, everyone. Now, my dear students, today what we are going to learn that properties of subtraction. Right? Now, previously we have seen the properties for addition. Right? Order property, grouping property, identity element. Right? Now we are going to learn the property that is totally based on subtraction. Right? So let's see one by one. The first property one. Property 1. Let's see what does property 1 says us. Right? So for that we will perform one sum, that subtract 0 from 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Right? What we are going to do? We are going to subtract 0. બરાબર ને? 0 ને આપણે subtract કરવાનું છે શામાંથી? From the given number. From this given number. Means what? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 minus 0. Means what? We are removing 0. બરાબર? ચાલો હવે આ બાજુ આવી જાઓ. જો તમારી પાસે 10 રૂપીસ છે અને તેમાંથી તમારા મમ્મીએ તમારી પાસે 0 રૂપીસ લઈ લીધા તો તમારી પાસે કેટલા રૂપીસ હોવાના? રાઈટ? 0 રૂપીસ લીધા એનો મીનિંગ શું છે કે you have not given anything. તમે કશું બી આપ્યું નથી. તો એનો મીનિંગ શું? તમારી પાસે કેટલા હશે? તો 10 રૂપીસ જ હશે. Right? So what does this say? That whenever we subtract 0 from any number, right? Whenever we subtract 0 from any number, the answer જે આપણને આન્સર મળે છે એમાં કોઈ ચેન્જ આવશે નહીં. The answer will be number itself. Barabar? The answer will be number itself. So whenever we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be number itself. Answer માં કોઈ change થશે નહીં. જે નંબર છે એ જ નંબર રહેશે. ત્યારે જો હું 0 subtract કરું છું ત્યારે. Let's see another one. Subtract 0 from 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 0. Right? Subtract 0 from 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 0. Means what? We are subtracting 0 from. From means this number will appear first. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 0. And what we are subtracting? We are subtracting 0. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? There will be no change in the answer. That will be number itself. That will be number itself. Right? So what does we can say there? When 0 is subtracted, when 0 is subtracted from any number, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference means what? The answer. The difference will be number itself. The difference will be number itself. There will be no change in the number when we subtract 0. Right? So we can say that for any number a, right? For any number a minus 0, for any number a minus 0 will be a. Barabar? So this says that 0 subtract કરશું તો મારા નંબરમાં કોઈ ચેન્જ આવશે નહીં. Are you getting? So this is the first property, right? By subtracting 0 from any number, there will be no change in the number, right? Let's see another property. Now let's see one another property, that is property 2. For that again we will see one example, right? Subtract 2, 4, 8, 9 from 2, 4, 8, 9. Now here you can see that we are going to subtract some number from another number, right? Now બધાને આઈડિયા છે કે from આવે એટલે શું કરવાનું? The back side number will appear first, that is 2, 4, 8, 9 minus 2, 4, 8, 9. Now here you can see that we are going to subtract the same number. બરાબર ને? આપણે same number subtract કરીએ છીએ. So whenever we subtract the same number, the answer will be 0. The difference will be 0. Same thing. You are having 10 chocolates and I take all of them. બધી જ લઈ લીધી. તો શું આન્સર આવશે? તમારી પાસે કેટલી ચોકલેટ વધવાની? તો તમારી પાસે 0 ચોકલેટ વધશે. Means what? Whenever we subtract the same number from the same number, right? The same number નું આપણે subtraction કરશું. The answer will be 0. Right? समझ पड़े छे? That indicates us a second property. Let's see one another example. Subtract 105,896 from 105,896. Right? Chalo. So that can be written as 105,896 minus 105,896. Now you can see that same numbers are there. 105,896, 105,896. Right? When two same numbers are subtracted, the answer will be 0. Maro answer શું આવશે? 0. Right? So what can we say that when a number is subtracted from the same number, when the number is subtracted from the same number, comma, the difference, that is answer, the difference is 0. The difference is 0. The answer is 0. Let's see. So for any number, say suppose capital A, right? A minus A, right? We are subtracting same number, A minus A. The answer will be 0. Right? So this indicates the second property. Right? While subtracting the same number, the difference, the answer will be 0. Okay? Now let's solve the quick check based on the property. The first one, if a number is subtracted from itself, a number is subtracted from itself, means what? कोई नंबर है तो सेम नंबर में से हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So what do we get? What will be the answer if I subtract the same number? Right? If I subtract the same number, the answer will be 0. Right? Second property. याद आवे छे કે જ્યારે બી બે નંબર્સ નું આપણે સબટ્રેક્શન કરશું સેમ નંબર્સ નું, my answer will be 0. Right? Sure. Next one. If A is a number, right? यहाँ पे A कोई भी एक नंबर है, then what do we get if we subtract 0 from A? Right? So we are subtracting 0 from A. Means what? That is A minus 0. बराबर ने? From છે A क्या આવી જશે? આગળ. A minus 0. That will be A. what? That will be number itself. There will be no change in the number. It will be number itself. Right? Sure. Next one. If I subtract a number, I am going to subtract a number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get the difference, means answer. Answer as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus which number? The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. समझ पड़े छे कि मेरे पास 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 नंबर है, उसमें से क्या सबट्रैक्ट करूं कि मेरा आंसर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ही आएगा. There will be no change in the answer. So which number I should subtract? I have to subtract 0 so that I can get the same number. Right? Chalo. Another one. If A is a number, right? Again, A is some number, then A minus 0 is same as 0 minus A. See here. A minus 0. What will be A minus 0? That will be A. And 0 minus A. 0 minus A. उसका आंसर आएगा minus A. Right? अभी हमको ये सॉल्व नहीं करना है. राइट અત્યારે આપણે આનું કઈ કામ નથી આ હાયર ક્લાસમાં આપણે જોશું પણ અહીંયા શું કહે છે a minus 0 is a the 0 minus a is minus a. See if both the answers are correct. See બંને આન્સર સેમ આવે છે ના બંને આન્સર સેમ આવતા નથી. That is what we can say that a minus 0 is not same as 0 minus a. बराबर a minus 0 then 0 minus a is same નથી a different છે. Right? चलो. Is it possible to subtract a number from 0? So right now it is not possible. અત્યારે આપણા માટે એ possible નથી. Right? એની કોઈ property આવશે તો આપણે એને possible કહેશું. And the last one. If I subtract a number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to subtract one number. Say suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus what? Which type of number? The difference is 0. Right? मेरे पास जो नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 है उसमें से क्या subtract करूं कि मेरा आंसर 0 आएगा. What should I subtract? I have to subtract the same number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So this is the quick check that is totally based on the given property. Now let's see the estimating difference. Right? Estimating means to round up. Right? Round up નું આપણે હવે વાત કરીએ. Right? We have already seen for addition. Now let's to solve for subtraction. So estimating difference. Estimate 45,104 minus 23,438 by rounding to the nearest tens. Right? Now we have to check around which digit we have to make around. So we have to take tens place. Right? So let's write the number. So 4, 5, 1, 0, 4 minus 2, 3, 4, 3, 8. Now first thing we are going to round at which place? We are going to round at tens place. So we are going to underline the tens place in both the numbers. Chalo. At one place you can see it is 4 less than 5. So there will be no change. So the number will be 4, 5, 1, 0, 0. Right? Since it is less than 5, there will be no change at the tens place. Right? Chalo. Again, here you can see that back side is 8. So there will be change in the number because it is greater than 5. So 2, 3, 4. Now these 3 will become 4. and 0, right? And we are going to solve this thing after rounding up, right? Chalo. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So this 1 will become 0 and this will become 10. 10 minus 4, that will be 6. Again you can say 0 minus 4 is not possible. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4, again it is 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So this will be your final answer, right? This answer is after doing the estimate, that is rounding to the nearest tens place, right? Chalo. Let's see the another one. Estimate 2,45,925 minus 2,13,879 by rounding to the nearest 100. Now at which place we have to concentrate? We have to concentrate at 100 place. So first we will write the number. So 2, 4, 5, 9, 2, 5 minus, for our safetyness, 9, 7, 8, 3, 1, 2. Chalo. So which number we have to look? We have to look for 100 place. So which number is at 100 place? So here you can say 9, that is at 100 place, and 8, that is at 100 place. Now see the number backside 9. 9 means right hand side પર કયો નંબર છે 2, that is less than 5, so no change. So number will be 2, 4, 5, no change at the 100 place, so 9 as it is, and the remaining 0, 0 minus. Now let's see the number at 100 place in second number, that is 8. After 8 that is 7, so there will be change. So change will be 2, 1, 3. Now this 8 will become 9 and remaining 2 zeros. બરાબર? જ્યાં change થતું છે એ underline digit માં +1 કરી દેશું. ચાલો 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 9 minus 9 0, 5 minus 3 that will be 2, 4 minus 1 that will be 3, and 2 minus 2 that will be 0. So it is a very simple way to subtract the given numbers, right? Chalo. Second one, let's see. Estimate 55,780 minus 23,212 by rounding up to the nearest 1,000 place, right? So now we are looking for 1,000 place, right? So first let's write the number 5, 5, 7, 1, 8 minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Now underline the number that is at 1,000 place. So in the first sum we can say that 1 tens 100,000. Similarly 1 tens 100,000. See the number on right hand side. So after 5 it is 7. 7 greater than 5. So we will change. What we will change? The underline digit, that is 5, will become 6. So the number will be 5. Adding 1 to this underline digit, that will be 6. And remaining zeros. Minus the first number as it is. Now after 3 you can say it is 2. So no need to change. So 3 will be as it is and remaining zeros. Right? Chalo. 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 3, that will be 3, and 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So this is all about rounding to the nearest 1,000 place. Now let's try to search for 10,000 place. So here is the number. Estimate the given number by rounding to the nearest 10,000 place. Now we are searching for 10,000 place. So for that, first write the number 5, 6, 3, 7, 1, 7 minus 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 8. Now try to underline the number that is at 10,000 place. So which number is at 10,000 place? So 1 tens 100,000 and 10,000. So So 6, after 6 it is 3. Here 3, after 3 it is again 3. Sure. So that will be 5. It will be any change? No change. Why? Because it is 3, the smaller than 5. So 6, then remaining 4 zeros. Minus, again 2 will be as it is. Here you can see 3, in the back side we 3 check, so no change. So 3 and again 4 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 3, that will be 3. 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So in this way, we can estimate the sums, right? Now let's see one more problem. That population of a town A is 67,543, whereas population of town B is 1,29,081. So if I compare these two towns, right? બે town ને જો હું compare કરું તો among these which town has more population? So I can say that town B has more population. Why? Because it can be counted in the form of lakh, and town A is counted in the form of thousand. समझ पड़े छे ने? So we can say that the town B, which is counted in lakh, has more population, right? Estimate how many more, કેટલા વધારે people live in town B than town A by rounding to the nearest thousand. At which place we have round up? We have round up to the nearest thousand. Now since, dear students, here comparison is there. Comparison between town B and town A. So for that, what we will do? We will subtract the population, right? So among these two, which population is bigger? So we can say population of town B is bigger, right? So let's try to write that first. That is 129,081, right? That is population, right? કોનું population છે? Population of town B. Population of town B minus, right? 67543. That is the population of town A. Now here we are going to estimate. We are going to estimate means what? We have to underline the number that is at 1000 place. So here which number is at 1000 place? So we can say 9. Backside you can say it is 0. Here number 7. Backside you can say it is 5. So let's write the rounding form over here. So if I round, so 1 and 2 will be as it is. Now after 9 you can say 0. So there will be no change. 9 itself and remaining 3 zeros. Minus. Now for town A. So 6 as it is. Below 2. 7. Backside you can say it is 5. So there will be change in the underlying digit. So this 7 will become 8 and remaining 0, 0, 0. And here you can see that nothing is there. So at that time we can place 0. Now try to minus it out. So 0, 0, 0. 9 minus 8, that is 1. 2 minus 6, not possible. So this one will become 0 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 6, that will be 6 and 0. Right? So what we can say that there are 61,000 more people in town B as compared to town A. રાઈટ અને આ આન્સર આપણો શું આવે છે એપ્રોક્સ મીન્સ એપ્રોક્સિમેટલી એસ્ટિમેટ કરીને 61000 peoples are more as compared to that of town A, right? So in this way we can solve the exercise and example. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.